Greetings everyone. It's a pleasure to have you here today. So today we are going to learn about static method reference. So static method references in Java allows us to refer to static methods of a class. Okay, they are concise way of calling static methods. So friends, let's dive into code example for static method reference. See friends, suppose you have a list of names and you want to sort them in alphabetical order using the string class static compare to method. So here is a code example using static method reference, which is we are going to start now. So let's proceed friends. Let's create a list of names. Okay, the names will be, let's add the names here. David, Robert, John, and last name will be Charlie. Okay friends, now let's import the necessary interfaces and tasks. Okay friends, now let's use static method reference. First of all, let's use the sort method from list interface, names dot sort, and now use the static method reference, which refers to the which will refers to the static method compared to defined in the string class. Okay, so let's do write code for them. String string double column compare to. So what we have done here, we have used the static method reference and this string double column compare to refers to the static method compare to. Okay, which defined in the string class. Okay friends, Now friends, let's call for each method. So for each method is provided by collection in Java, such as lists, which allows us to apply an operation to each element in the collection. Okay. Now let's define a method reference for system.out.println method, which shortened way of referring to the println method of the system.out class. Okay, so let's proceed. System.out println. Okay, friends. So friends, what this line number does, or we can say that what line number 18 doing in this code. So we have called the for each method, which is provided by collections class in Java. Okay, it allows us to apply an operation to each element in the collection. And about this, about system.out double columns println, it's a method reference. It's a shorthand way of referring to the println method of the system.out class. Okay, so in this line it is used as the operation that will be applied to each element in the collection. Okay, friends. So friends, we have ended up with code sample for static method reference in Java. So let's run our code to get the output. So friends, you can see that we are able to get our list of names as Charlie, David, John and Robert. Okay. So friends, in this way we can use static method reference in Java. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Keep coding, happy coding. Happy coding, keep coding. Thanks for watching the video.